What time is it? It's tool time. So this weekend, I was installing my onboard air system I designed for Merle here, and it was highlighting the usefulness of transfer punches. So what transfer punches are, if you don't already know, they'll come in a bunch of different sizes, and they're a bunch of different diameters to fit holes of things you're trying to mount on something else. Their purpose is to help you find the center of a hole. So say you need to transfer this hole onto your base material or your frame or whatever, you can try to line up a pen as best you can on there, or if you need to be super accurate, you find the correct size that fits snugly in your hole, slide it in there, pop it with a hammer, and you've got yourself a perfectly centered hole. And you can do that with all of them. I'll cut to a clip using these to get this mounted under Merle, and we'll be right back. So we're going to use transfer punches and center mark these holes so that we can drill them out. If you don't have transfer punches, you can take a pen and eyeball it and mark it and drill it. Although, if you do much fab, I really do recommend getting some transfer punches. So we'll line these up, get them in the hole. So, as you can see, right in the middle of the hole. That's what's great about these. You find the size that fits the opening you need, and it gives you a perfectly centered spot. So I reckon you can see why these would be super handy. It's one of those tools you don't use it all the time, but when you need it, you're so thankful you have it, and they're inexpensive. So I'll have a link in the description to the set that I have, although they're all pretty much equal. I've got two sets. This is a Harbor Freight set, and then I have a different set at work that I got off Amazon. So I'll put a link to both. And if you don't get started drilling perfectly centered holes, you never get finished.